supermarket display freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 98.5 inches, a depth of 34.25 inches, and a height of 33 inches tall. Coming to the right, middle, the left section will be your sliding doors on top. Interior dimensions will include 93 inches in length, and 29 inches in depth, and a height of 23.25 inches. Coming to the bottom are 5 dividers that can split your basket into 5 different sections. Each section currently measure 16 inches in length, 26 inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. Again, each section can be adjusted with the divider that will be included. Doors can be retracted back to its position on the left. Coming to the top left corner will be the ETL NSF certification, and below is the 110-120 voltage plug. Coming below is the temperature controller along with the operational switches. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.